nagkakamali. Hindi 130-70-71. So 71-70 because of holding. Pero dito, malalaman natin ano ba yung laban na ipapakita ng Saluna sa Tanay. At hindi na kaya ng Morong before Patenya still on the board para sa Morong on the play. Still for the basket. Kawigan. Ito ang depensa ay magpapasok. At dito naman para sa Bayan ng Tanay, before teammate jumper. Yes! First to foul para po sa Tanay. Dito on the floating way. Right to number 9. Kawigan. Tama na. Saluna. Nanonood po sa kanilang gadget. Magandang ang haliyan po sa inyo dyan. Kawigan para sa Tanay. Oh! On the basket. Kawigan. 3-point shot, Kawigan eh. For the action na yun. Ibang klase 3-point shot kay Kawigan. For the ball game. At hindi niya kalahin, papasok pa yun. At ito naman, si Patenya. Doon na papalit po, mga kababayan, 5 minutes and 50. Yung talagang ganit dito sa ating Wito on the ball game. Meron Archers. Dito on the ball game. Ang naging kalay for the game. Before the ball game, papasok. Mabilis sa kapante. Saluna naman, kanyang kakape, hilaw, pasok sa ilalim. Dito on the ball game, nakuha pa rin ang kanay. With the pass, right from left at the back. Yes, sir! Yun na ilalim. At with Calmada, mabilis sa kapante, may Playdoy dito. Ang type of teammate, Samper. Yes, sir! Magkali 2 minutes and 34. Apple. At for the ball game, Tito, with work on the ball game. Yes! And he's getting on the ball game, Austria. And before the use of the napapapasal si Tito sa pagkakita. Dahil still, hindi nakita si Pascal. Lengeta, ako sila rito, pero ang ganda pa sa nun. Ay, kasama pang pa. Nagkasaris for the ball game. Ay, Kabayson, nakulis ang kabante. He's feeling Kabayon. But he was nice on the ball game. Para kay Kabayson, isang klaseng tiro nun. At eto, para kay Calderon. Ay, Kabayson. Dito on the ball game, last, Calderon, last 40 to shoot. Shot like that to run, Ronnie Roberts. Last 25. At Kabayson at last 20 seconds of oras. Overplay. Like Ruleta. Yes! At Ruleta for the game. Like Isa. Kabayson on the play today. That's Isa on the play. Like on the catcher. Yes! Saluna. Nagtaray. Kontra po. Sa Bayan ng Morong. Dito on the play. Like for the 3-point shot. Yes! Right on the ball game. But now for Reyes. Walang pasok ang tira. Before teammate, right Kawigan. Before the ball, before the coming, right to the play. Pagkaka sa jumper. Ang tawag kay Reyes. Yeah! Reyes! At before teammate, pag-block ka. Legend ng Tanay. At with Francisco sa tres. Yes! Mga kababayan. Before the corner, like the pass break. Reyes on the court. Like Calmada. Reyes, Calmada. What the game? For the 7 minutes and 30 for the second quarter, 32-21. Ano kata sa Saluna ang Tanay? Para sa place. Yes, sir! All the play away. That's all back on the ball game. And it's here for the play. Yes, sir! Habang kita sa kababayan, nagtumawag at isnit at tumawag for the dike. At with the ball play, wow! Pagkasama! Alam ko, sasabi ko, 30 to shoot. At nagkagsilaw, 4 down to shoot. Before the play away, before the carry. But now, before the 3-point shot. Yes, sir! Mamawa! Pagkanda po sa Governors. 4 minutes and 34 seconds. At eto po, naiinit naman ang Saluna. Grabe nga doon. Natataw si Bebe dito. Si Bebe. Pag sinasabi kong Saluna, sabi ko kay Bebe, Saluna, paahon yun. Pagkasabi na sa sakyan, pagka talagang bibigyan people naman para kay Beben na parehong kay people dito, mga kababayan. Sa jump shot na pinakita ni Calmada, para kinunod si Brook, para ibigay Calmada. At 1980 sa 50 years ago. At on the ball game, hinaw eto na. Yes, sir! 3 minutes exactly. Number 3 is still. The number 4 Paulie. Apelia. At Calvada. Before like the jumper. Yes, sir! Calvada. Magandang pinapakita dito. Like in the first, second quarter. Like the jumper 3 points after the Paulie. Magandang push. Para salunan nila dito ngayon. 48-88 po mga kababayan. Tito on the ball game. Ace. Tito Ratabi. Papaison sa kantang kaliwa. Ito. Using the cross lagoon. Steve Porang Ratabi. Papaison on the ball game. Isinea on the high game. Steve Porang Ratabi on the pass break. Abella to the cross. Right. Papaison. Yes, sir! Magandang salunan sa kamay sa second quarter. Before the tawag naman doon, pero ito, pasok para sa Boron. And the time remaining, last 25. Papaison on the play. That now the corner cover. Yes, sir! Ballgame. Still at Ramos. On the play. With Arthurs. Before Pateka. Yes, sir! Still at Ramos. On the play, but now on the back, number 12, Patena, nakapasok at Steve on Ramos. Yes, sir! And before 7 minutes and 54 seconds of ours. And this is on the ball game. Yes, sir! And we need the number 9, the number 3, the bawang sa 3, scores. Before on the ball game. Yes, sir! And what is the number 3, Mabawang? Harap na mapapasahan, Rodrigo, binigay kay Vista, before Johnson. Yes, sir! At yung pasok, right na Mawa, Patenda for the falling, Steve for Apple Rally. Yes, sir! Bibigit na ngayon, like 62-47. Peter on the straightaway, that is Steve and Tito the cross rally, and kasama pang foul. Right on the body shot, right Johnson. Ready still, right on the play, still Reyes. Right now, we call the play, still for recovery, but now Reyeta. On the play, right on the captain. Yes, sir! Santos. I think for the pass break, Reyeta. On the play, Tito. On the ball game. Down, season 4, the Goat Lina, Richie Harris. With result, intersound, 2024. With more Reyeta. Yes, sir! Ito na 1 minute at 46, third quarter po tayo mga kababayan. Steve Israel, yes! 1 minute and 45 seconds for the third quarter of the game. 1 minute and 30, 50 to shoot. Before the number 4, Hilal. That Hilal producing the class in 1 minute and 22 seconds of oras. Ross, Steve for the number 35 to shoot. Jumper. Steve for the building, that is Steve for the count. Before the play away, Barry Pantalosa, yes sir! And maybe last 37 seconds, Reyeta for the pass break, that's Apella, echo, para kay Apella, and with Ramos, but now with all the play away, Reyeta for easy, yes sir! 9 seconds of oras. That is still for the ball game. Minute and 30, 15 to shoot. Reyeta para sa 3-point shot. Oh, talent to hold! Isang maze. Malamang mo sa huli ng kamay para sa bola. Reyeta, mabilis ang atake. Before kami ka, wow! Kami ka ano na ball game. Ball game. Sabi nga natin, tambalang kami ka ng Reyeta. At doon, at para sa jumper. Yes! Good. 7 minutes and 30. Apple, before Tolosa on the ball game, yes sir! 10 to shoot, before Calvada, right on the jumper, shoot, before rebound, that is Steve for the jumper, Hilal, yes sir! Siguro business sila dito, at maganda yung sabi na, pinapakita ng taray dito. At hitting Apple on the ball game, yes sir! Like the Archers, with a 6 minutes and 40, mahaba-haba pa rin. At ito si Reyeta the cross, yes sir! Reyeta! Before Apple, naghanap na mapapasahan. At dito sa bandang gitna, nakita si Tolosa. Before Tolosa the jumper, yes sir! 84-69. At before 34. At this is on the Archers. To shoot. for run back to 5 to shoot. Now, the photographer, Steve Calmada. Nag-easy for racing left for the ball behind. Sa fourth quarter, Kuwait, the penalty United. Like this in the quarter, Tolosa. Para po sa ating begin of the fourth quarter of the game. On the play, Calmada. Very Calmada. Hindi ka 70-71, laban sa Mantan. At eto po, mga kababayan, SDP Slabay Pet ng quarter, pumasok ko yun. Steve for the back, eto ngayon, para kay Pinto. At para kay Apel sa kanan, patay na, Pet ng quarter, maganda yung pinakita ko. And it's Steve at number 2, Francisco Sinaya. Yes, sir! The kick for all the ball game. And it's Steve at 1 minute and 25, like a jumper. Yes, sir! And then last 55. And ready, last 50 seconds. Still to 35. Hilaw para sa 3-point shot. Jumper. Short. And the last 30. Before Ramos, ready for the 3-point shot. Short. And this lap for on the ball game. Last 20 seconds. And this is on the before on the fourth quarter. Last 15. With the time remaining, last 10. And still and Babay Son. Time remaining, last 5. After this one, ball game. And congratulations po, Tita.